Finally, let's plug this. Okay, so the sound that you can hear right now is straight out of my Lumix S5 without any microphone. So now I'm going to plug in my Rode mic. I don't know which reference that is. That's the microphone. I always keep the dead cat on it. So that it's ready to go for outside, and there's a little dongle, so I just put it. Now that's the sound from this microphone, which is already like so much better. What I also like to do instead of using the little dongle is to use like a 1 meter cable, so that I can have the microphone either on top like this or on the camera, or just hold it in my hand. So I'm going to do that now. So can we agree on the fact that this is great? I can have this like on the camera. As you can see, like the sound is still so much better than if I'm just not using a microphone at all. Or like this, like very close to my mouth. That's just really great. And honestly, the quality is good even when I'm outside, so that's good for inside and outside. That's really nice. My problem, like a lot of things with cameras and technology, doesn't really have to do with the technology, but it has more to do with the human, so like the user experience. With a microphone on top or in the hand, which is the ideal setup for the quality. But the problem is that people look at you like super strange, and you really can't go like inside a museum or anywhere like this with that setup, because you're going to be flagged immediately. These days I've spent a lot of time editing my videos, and I thought that the sound was terrible and that I needed to find a solution for that. This microphone is great for the quality, and it is the solution that I should be using all the time, inside and outside. Especially when there is wind outside. I wish I could be the kind of person that doesn't care about people's reaction, but I'm not, and it just bothers me when I have people coming to me and just being annoying, or sometimes even angry, aggressive, or whatever. And I just don't want to have to deal with this. I'm keeping this microphone because it's a great microphone, and I still want to use it as much as possible when it's not a problem. But I have found another solution. That is not a review, because I don't think I'm the best person to do that. And also there is no comparison with other systems like this. It's just the one that I settled on, so that's the one I'm going to show you. So it's the Hollyland Lark Max, and it's basically an all-in-one wireless lavalier microphone system. God damn it. Because you've probably already heard this, but you can watch a video with a terrible like visual quality, or by terrible I mean not like a bit grainy or messy or whatever, but it's torture to watch a video with a terrible sound, especially wind and so on. And whenever I'm talking to the camera, it's because I have something to say, so I want the camera to actually hear me. And sometimes it's just like super windy outside and whatnot, and it's just not capturing what I'm saying. So yeah, there you go, you can see better without the reflection. So that's the Lark Max by Hollyland. So basically it's going to be a solution that's not only great quality, but a bit more discreet, and maybe even a bit more convenient for me to use when I'm walking around and going to different places and whatnot. Ugh. How stupid am I? God damn it, is it not? Why am I completely ripping this thing apart? Oh, that was... okay. Let's pretend we have not seen that. There was a magnetic side, but that was the other side. That's, I'm guessing, things to read. And beautiful box. Ta-da! Okay, so we have like little compartments, little dead cats for the wind. That's going to be a must use. That's the accessories. You probably don't really care about this. Little dongle, little more cable, when you have to travel and stuff, like everything fits in there. That's great. And now the actual box, it is much smaller than I expected, honestly. Very nice. I don't have the biggest hands, but like, there we go. It's soft. It's not an ASMR video, but you have to know it's soft. Magnetic. Come on, there you go. And so we have the, how do you say in English, the transmitters, 2 of them, the little transmitters there. At the back you can see you can either clip, is that clip? Or this magnetic thing. Oh, very powerful. Oh, god damn it. Damn it. Wow, okay. Too powerful for me, apparently. Okay, there you go. So yeah, very powerful. You can definitely put that on like a shirt or something and it's not going to move. This one too is very, it's not a wick. It's definitely like holding on to dear life. What do we have? We have on and off. There you can put a little lavalier mic thing. This is, I think, the different equalization mode. Recording, I think it's for internal recording. So this is, so that's going on your camera on the top, and so this is what's going to face you when you're behind the camera. There you can plug it to the camera. On the other side you can put the headphones in. And this case, ouch, and this case is also the charging case. So you have the little USB port there, and you put everything inside and it's all good to go to charge. Very, very nice. I thought it would be bigger. Just realized that the little things at the bottom, actually it has nothing to do with magnetism. It's basically how it's charging. Because look, the case right now, you can see it's lighting. And look at the bottom. Can you see properly? No, not really. But there are little metallic things, and that's basically that's for charging. And you can see it's blinking when it's charging, and it's a fixed light when it's fully charged. Like for now, I haven't done anything, and it's just telling me everything I need to know. I really love when technology is not complicated and it's straightforward and intuitive, so I hope that it's going to be the same. The transmitter and the receiver are paired by default. I like when the technology is just doing the work. Okay, test. That is great, isn't it? Like, it's loud right now. It's like it's right next to my mouth, and it is pretty loud. So I have it plugged in like the regular microphone. That is great. As you can see, that looks really small. The size difference is huge. So that's not even like, that's close to my mouth, as you can see, and that's sort of far, like at arm's length. I haven't changed any settings right now, so I'm going to see if I should change something. So let me first put this in my t-shirt. So right there, it's not too heavy. That's creating a bit of a, try to use a magnet instead. That is on my right boob. Okay, that looks like a joke, but what I mean is that, well, that's one hand away from my mouth. It's like 20 centimeters. No, the thing is, you see, I need to dress properly. Alright, so let's see with that other shirt. Maybe there, a bit too visible maybe. Let's try like this. Is that good? Yeah, sort of like this. Let's pretend it's a tie. So setting up the whole thing. Rec mode. Okay, so I want stereo, I guess. Oh no, stereo would be the 2 microphones. I don't know, I guess that's fine like this. So that was rec mode. Mic setting. My gain. Okay, so that's just auto record. No, stop rec. Have to see what those things are. My gain. Mic 1, that's the mic 2. Oh, I can adjust the gain. Oh, that's too much. So I'm going back to 0. And I guess I can just, like there, you can hear me a bit less. But I guess this way I could be shouting and it would be fine for you. But then let's put it back to 0, you know. Okay, so how do I go back do I just mic settings, phone speaker, I don't care, EQ, yes I care about this. So I want the vocal boost, so that's hi-fi right now. Low cuts, let's try this. Low cuts, okay, I don't know if you can hear any difference, I can't really. But I think from the demos that I've seen online, the videos, I think vocal boost is the best for what I want to do with it. So let's leave it on vocal boost. System settings, pairing with fine brightness, grain mode, date and time. Do we care about this? Date and time language, huh? Date. Okay, so we're good. We are good, I think. No? Yeah. So there you go. I think that there I can adjust the volume again. You know, yeah, there you go. Oh, that's the output, yeah, but like that's too loud. Let's put it at 0. And I can even, yeah, let's leave it at 0. And we are good. And it's very nice that you can see this little thing there. On the camera though, it seems to be too much. Seems to be a lot for the camera. Should I maybe, if I say -3, how is it for the camera? That's still a lot. That is still a lot. Oh, but you see, maybe it's too close, the microphone. Maybe the microphone is too close. But yeah, I don't really want to hear the sounds around me. If I'm talking, I'm in the street, I'm talking. Just want to hear my voice, so I have to leave the camera rather close to me and just put the output at -3 maybe. All right, honestly, it's not too much, but it's a little light. Maybe some people are more annoyed by this in their general look, and they don't like this, so they want to hide it. But I am fine with it. I might actually, if I'm outside, have to use the dead cat quite often. That is a bit more visible. But that's going to be great for in the street or whatnot. So that's pretty satisfying right now, I have to say. Very small, very convenient. From what I can hear right now, very good quality. I would probably need, I don't know if I need to, that's still at output -3. Yeah, that's quite a decent sound. And again, for a more minimalist look, because I'm doing both photography and videos, and if I have a microphone, I'm not bothering taking it on and off, depending on whether I'm taking photos or filming videos. If I'm using the microphone, I'm just leaving it on the camera and that's it. I'm not bothering. So sometimes if I'm taking photos in the street or even filming, people have a tendency to, I don't know why it is now, but I think with social media and everything, people are constantly thinking that you're taking photos of them or videos of them, even when it's not the case, when they are super far away or out of the frame or whatever, and that's just really annoying. So with this, it doesn't look like I have a microphone pointing at them and that I'm recording them. It looks like I'm just taking photos and that's it. Even when you have a microphone on the camera, like a Rode mic, most of the time it's just so that you can hear yourself properly when you're filming. Yes, I'm really looking forward to using this system when I'm outside so that I can finally have some proper sound. I don't use the big Rode microphone enough when I'm outside, so I just wasn't satisfied with the quality of the sound. So now it's going to change, and I'm really happy with that because it's not just about the visual quality but also about the audio quality. Plastic ASMR. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. So I really do recommend getting one of those systems if you are like me, you're a bit shy, introvert, you don't want to have people screaming at you in the street, and you don't want to have the big microphone on the camera. I haven't tried it outside though yet, so I'm going to do that very soon. I haven't tried other systems too. That's the one I decided to get after watching a few videos on YouTube. It is quite expensive, but I think if it really makes a difference with the sound, and with the way that I film, it's totally worth it. That was 251 euros, so it's not cheap, but I think from what I'm seeing right now and what I want to do with my videos and stuff, I think it's totally worth it for me. So that's an investment. The real question is it worth it or not for you? For me, I think it's totally worth it because that's a system that I actually see myself using all the time. So I will try this very soon, like in the next few days outside. So stay tuned for that. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!